Good morning. I thought I'd show you my latest little kit I've been working on. This is on UK Stampers. There's a red, white and green challenge where you can win prizes. So I thought, well, I'll start and I'll do something like Christmassy. So this is using a kit from Etsy. It's a gnome kit, and I've written it on the back here. The Etsy shop is called Home Book and Treasure. And I found on Etsy, if you like something, with a heart, often a couple of days later they'll send you a coupon for money off. So I thought that's okay, isn't it? So if you like anything, you don't have to buy it. Just put a heart on it. You never know, you might save money. Anyway, let's get on with this. It's taken me a couple of days of a night time making this, because you have to fit creativity, especially if you've got a busy family life. So it's just a bit of me time. So this is, if I'm trying to remember the stamps now, Crafty Individuals, I think. When you have stamps for ages, Making Spirits Bright, and a bit of stamping and just ripping up bits of old papers. So I'll open up, I'll show you. And I printed off the papers and I've stuck it onto red and green cardboard. It's a Wonderful Life. That was a good Christmas film, isn't it? To watch. Merry Christmas, written in Old English. Quite like that. And these papers I've had for a while. They just made little pockets out of them. He's a cutie, isn't he? Another little pocket. The little gnome printout. Yeah, it was a nice kit. It was quite a reasonable price as well. So some of the images are from other Etsy stores. There's a little fold out. I love gnomes. Little pockets. So it's just trying to use up all your old papers. Put a journaling, or you can put Christmas photos in or something. Smiles. This is using a bit of old lace I've had. That's another pocket. Just adding a little bit of stamping. I think they were cheap stamps on AliExpress or something. So more of the nice papers from this gnome kit. Home Book and Treasure, worth checking out. Wish. Another little pocket. More pockets. Together. Another little pocket there. This is using, okay, we call it a belly band, don't we? Just to put some more of the paper clip. Little gnome. Winter Wonderful. I like this time of year though. I'll go for my walk soon, so get a bit of vitamin D from the last remaining sun, because I think it's so important. Peace on Earth. All is bright. And hope. It's all about, we have to have hope, don't we? It's so important to have hope. And again, there's little tags tucked behind there. And then that fastens. And I think this was off an old box of chocolates, the elastic. So, but if this is too big, like this was slightly too big, I just put a little bit of stitched a bit of wool there, and it fastens all the way around. Okay, bye for now.